Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very easy scarf. So let's get started. Welcome to Hectanuga 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. I'm working with a 9mm crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot. Start with a chain in multiples of 3 plus 1. I'm going to start with 43, so I'm going to chain 43. You can use any size yarn and any size hook. So with my size 9 hook and worsted weight yarn, my chain measures approximately 18 inches. So if you're going to use a smaller hook and smaller yarn, just make your chain 18 inches long. So I'm going to double crochet in the 4th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. To make a double crochet yarn around the hook, insert it into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in this stitch I'm going to make double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and that is a V-stitch. Now all the way across the row you're going to skip 2 stitches, and in the 3rd stitch make a V-stitch of a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. So repeat that all the way across the row. Okay, I've worked all the way across the row, and now you repeat the next row for every row. So you're going to turn your work, slip stitch into the first chain 1 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and that takes the place of a double crochet and a chain 1 space. Make 1 double crochet in that same chain 1 space, and that formed a V-stitch, and you're making a V-stitch in the center stitch of the V-stitch of the previous row. So all the way across the row you're going to make a V-stitch in the chain 1 space of every V-stitch. So a V-stitch in every V-stitch. Like that. And you're going to repeat that all the way across the row, and you'll just repeat that row over and over until your shawl or scarf is the correct length. And for me that was like about 5 feet. So whatever it takes for you to be able to wrap it comfortably around your shoulders. And there's how that's going to work out over and over. And when you finished your scarf, take the yarn end and just weave it through that row of stitches and then just tie it off. And you do the same thing on the other side. Just weave your yarn end in all the way across the row, pull it tightly, and then just take a few stitches to secure it. And then I made tassels, and I used the ties to just tie my tassels in here, and then weave these yarn ends into the finished work. And that's how easy it is to make this shawl or scarf. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.